was a really good example of bare bones, off-the-shelf filmmaking. It started with a very simple idea of someone in a bath and scary stuff happening to that person, and then it was fleshed out by me and the lead actor Izzy.
And we just came up with a cool idea to get a bath bomb so that the bathtub turns black. It was better as well than my idea, which was just to have loads of blood, but that's the classic Dan Allen solution. Just chuck blood on it and hopefully that'll be scary.
Madagascan vanilla scented tea light candle.
Shower curtain.
A luxurious shower curtain.
Lingerie.
Sex appeal. I mean, this might be the nicest bra I've ever owned. And my balls. And we were like, making a horror film, we need black, we need goo, we need you, and she just sorted us out, and so we're in a good space.
So this is really something that you could actually make yourself at home.
Well, I think we found our mask. I mean, it's quite hard.
Oh, you did behind the scenes? Yeah.
Having a bath.
Domestic environments work really well because we're really familiar with them, which helps with the horror. It makes it more universal. When you think about films like The Grudge and The Ring, they play out largely in domestic environments, so it creates fear of something that you believe you know. The original rushes were shot much brighter than the finished film. If you make things brighter, you get artifacts, whereas you can darken footage, no issues at all, as long as you have that contrast, which we had between the room light and then the candle light, so it ultimately feels kind of like most of the light is coming from the candles. Transitioning the water into this dark, murky liquid was really difficult. When we tried to film the actual bath bomb going off, it kind of just looked like a bath bomb and it looked really cheap. So I did a quick reshoot with some candles to imply this transition to darkness without ever actually showing the water going to darkness. And then there's this extra shot which is from a Video Copilot collection of ink bleeds, and then it was graded to match the tone of the water from the other shots. To add suspense, there's a lot of digital zoom-ins. You can use the Ken Burns tool if you're using Final Cut Pro. I have a tutorial, there'll be a link in the description. Or if you're using any other editing platform, you can just edit the scale of the image. Forcing the audience closer to the darkness raises the tension. And then the final attack is essentially my brother shaking the camera whilst Izzy scrambles around with the shower curtain. All these techniques are designed to create a sense of threat and desecration without actually putting much in front of camera.